Okay, I've been looking at a whole bunch of thinkers sharing their thoughts online. A lot of them are futurists. I don't know whether they're much like me. It doesn't seem like it. It seems like a lot are painting a romantic vision of disruption, and this is what we're seeing, and so there's so much we can learn. And I can just imagine that they're already writing the pithy keynotes that are gonna like try and influence thousands of people at these conferences about that we're learning something useful here. I've only got really one message to these people, is that they need to stop and actually do the work of foresight and futurism, work with clients to actually work out what actually truly becomes of this and what comes next, because it isn't going to be romantic. There's going to be millions dead globally, and a lot of that's going to be close to home. So, you know what, step up, futurists, seriously. We don't need more of your pithy ideas of romantic disruption. We need to really double down and help the world get back on its feet.